Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Gmail is hacked. So if you are curious about if your Gmail is saved or hacked, so this video is for you. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now you have to go to your Gmail account that you wanted to check if it's hacked or not. After going to your Gmail account, I'm here with my Gmail account that I wanted to check and share with you how you can easily check your Gmail account is saved or not. After going there, you have to click on Gmail and select Google account. Here you go. Now here you can see there's an option of security. Now you have to press on security. After pressing on security, you have to check all the data that is authorized or not. Like if you have to check if all the data that is entered here is managed by you or not. Now you can see here, you can see recent security activities. Recent security activities mean where your Gmail is logged in which phone your Gmail log in all that. If you see any unauthorized phone access, you can remove that access. You can check why and when these have access to your Gmail account. Here you can see your devices, like where your Gmail is logged and all that. After going to that, here you can see all the time and all the date when your Gmail is logged, in where country, in which city or in which place, and which time and which mobile phone. This is the best way how you can check if you have any unauthorized access. Like if you feel like something is wrong, you can easily manage that and delete that device, or manage your account, save, change the password and all the settings. So here basically this is the video for you if you have any question about if your Gmail is hacked. So hope so friends you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for the more updates. And also comment below if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.